Good morning, everybody. How are you? Again, this could be the last day of the competition because right now we're waiting for. Well, I guess it would be the first person to 14 correct guesses. I think. I think that's where we're at. As soon as one of the people who was tied at the top pulls ahead, they are the winner. And I probably won't end up doing another one of these, unfortunately. Maybe I'll come back to it sometime in the future. Try to make it better. We'll do the trade in about 5 minutes. This is a 5,000 tick chart. Make the fan in my computer go on maximum speed. Just a couple minutes. Did you get second payout? Yes. Just a little one. $200. I've only traded, I think, once since getting the payout. It was a winning day. But I'm not really trading right now. Got a lot of stuff I'm dealing with behind the scenes. Stuff I can't really talk about. But you know, that's fine with me. It's a big candle. All right, I'm gonna get the survey up on the server. Give me 1 second. All right, 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, in the live stream event channel on the Discord server, it's going to pop up. You're going to vote green or red. Could be the last day. We'll find out. There's two people at the top. As soon as one of them wins and the other doesn't, competition is over. Did I take a trade already? Nope. We're going to take it in about a minute and a half. 30 points. Should be popping up in like 30 seconds. Coming up to a pivot. See that? Right there. Pop through it. This will be an interesting one. Could be the end. Surprised it's not up yet. Maybe I have a bad sense of time. Alright, there it is. Voting is up right now. I'm going to wait about 30 seconds to vote. Because if I put the trade on now, we could be like 15 points towards the stop or the profit. At about 20 seconds, I'm going to vote. I mean, take the trade. Okay, that's what you're voting for. Four seconds. All right, let's see if this is the end or not. For Ninja Trader data, would you advise level 1 or level 2? And if trading index futures, I can buy just the relevant exchange and skip the bundled plan. Yes. What are you specifically trading? Let me know. If it's just NASDAQ and S&P 500, either minis or micros, and I think there's some other things included in this, but CME level 1, I think it's called CME top of the book level 1. $4 a month. Just $4 a month. You don't get to see level 2 data, but most people don't use that. Unless you're trying to use the DOM depth of market. Then just go CME top of the book level 1. Unless you're trading stuff outside of that, of course. But yeah, most people can get away with paying $4 a month for data. And most people are paying more than they need to. Unless NinjaTrader changed the way you select which data you choose. I think the way it used to be is that you kind of had to look around, and it was not made very clear that you could just pay $4 a month. They always try to get you with these bundles. Hello, Ace Up. It's just NQ and ES, then yeah. CME, top of the book, level 1, $4 a month. You do want to get into Treasury futures. Well, you can either buy the data for that, or there might be somewhere where you can just see delayed data if you're not trading it right now. And then you could save on some costs. What are we thinking here? Green or red? What's the distribution looking like? Although I guess I could just check on Discord, but red for you. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. And then just thinking back on all these days with how much direction we've had, I decided to go green. Hello, Lord Verbic. Usually trade gold or forex. Why am I seeing 19,840-ish on TradingView and I have 2,000? I have 20,000. Sometimes. Oh, almost hit green. I don't know, but I've seen screenshots of TradingView charts of the Nasdaq. Or maybe it wasn't TradingView. I think it's actually Yahoo, where the prices were different. Sometimes different contracts display different prices or something. I don't know. But yeah, price right now is at 20,025. Is your TradingView delayed data by 15 minutes? Well, we were 4 points away from hitting green, and now we have dumped back to the entry. We've yet to have a pullback have any meaningful continuation so far this morning. Any pullback has been only 12 points or so. So we'll see if that changes here. Looks like it is happening. Now it's just a question of how far down it goes. Pretty far. Only needs to push down 11 more points to make red win after we were 4 points away from this winning. Red doesn't deserve this one. Alright, ace up. Does have to come down pretty far to make red win. Be like a 50% retracement from the low of day to the high of day. More than that. Way more than that. I think. I don't know. Oh, yeah. 50 versus 60. Alright, and back up to the entry. Your strategy seems to fall apart when market is going down, or at least trying to. What does that mean? And are you talking about the strategy where I click buy every single time and we're voting on whether it hits red or green? Yes, that's what you're talking about? Do you think this is yeah, this is not a funded account. Ace up is always right. I've never seen him be wrong. Unless betray sup. Stop. Uh-oh, green. Volatility's been pretty pretty good lately. Well, I guess good isn't the right word. Pretty high. Needs a pretty far push down to make red win, but we need to go through the hive day to make green win. Uh-oh. I think red wins if it falls through this. It'd be crazy if red didn't win if it goes through this. Because if you think about it, if red goes here, then green winning would be like a 7 point to 50 point trade. The moment of truth. Be like a 7% chance of that working. House odds puts the chance of green winning at 3%. But then again, ace up is always right, so this might be unbelievable. We might be seeing a miracle here. AKA just a normal day for people like ace up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yep. Well, ace up, you had a good streak of being right and everything until today. Unless perhaps. Nope. Yes. Hey, Sub, if green wins, you're the greatest trader of all time. I'll leave my channel to you and my will if green wins. Let's actually check the risk reward ratio from this moment. 1.5 points. A 1.5 point stop loss to about 39 points. This is about like a 1 to 30 risk reward ratio. ASAP might have done it. He might have done it. We're all the way back at the entry of this 1 to 35. I don't know. Someone want to do the math? 1.5 point stop. 38 point profit target. Just a regular day in the office, not a miracle. About 25 risk reward ratio. Chris? Thank you. Do you know the win rate required to make that break even? So we can use that as an indication of any one trade working. I think it's around 4%. Does anyone find it yet? 1 to 25. .4% win rate needed. Or we could be watching a 4% likely event. That's pretty special. It's not over yet though. We got 10 news. 10 a.m. news. Oops, sorry. What's it looking like? Are we about to get a big spike? That'd be a sad way to end it. Okay. Good. Nothing major. Nothing major at 10, so price action continues. All right, some not so major news just hit. That's why there's a little spike there. All right, this is the big moment. I think it either does this and comes down, or we push all the way through. See how much faster the candles are moving? Probably volume increase. See what happens. Yeah, we're gonna see. This day could be the decider of who wins the whole thing. Tab fee or this moron. Both tied at the top. We're just waiting for one of them to win and the other one to not. Uh-oh. May it be an evening star. Hey, sup. Hey, sup. Imagine. Big moment here. And oh, no way. No. House wins. Unbelievable. All right, let's see if that just decided. If both of them lose, then we continue. If both of them win, we continue. Let's see if that just decided everything. There were only 2 votes for red. Let's see if they were in there. All right. Both of them got it wrong, so we continue. We continue. I will see all of you tomorrow to potentially conclude the competition. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.